Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can inform your team automatically on getting your business proposals accepted. So guys, with the help of this automation, you do not have to manually see who is accepting your proposals or your quotations, and you do not have to manually send a message to your team informing them about it. So this automation is going to save your time, and here we are going to connect Qwilr application, which is a business proposal creation application. And here you can create business proposals and documents in form of web pages. And when those proposals or quotations are going to be accepted by your customers or client, a message will be delivered to your team on Slack automatically. And we are going to set up this automation without any coding super easily. So let's begin. So we are setting up this automation using Pabbly Connect. This is an automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly. And I have pasted the same link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, which is going to look like this. And from here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up this automation. And here you can give any name to your workflow as well. So I'm giving the name here as Qwilr to Slack Slack automation. Okay. And after giving this name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we can set up all the automations. Okay. So guys, here in this trigger section, you need to connect the trigger application. So guys, trigger is that event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be the consequence or the response towards the trigger. So in our use case, getting a proposal or a quotation accepted by the client will act as a trigger event, and the action would be to send a Slack channel message. Okay. So here guys, you need to select Qwilr application by which you have created the business proposals. Okay. And now you have to select the trigger event as project accepted. Okay. Then click on connect here. And from this window, select add new connection. And here it is asking for the API key of Qwilr application. And you'll find it in the account settings of Qwilr. So you just have to reach the dashboard of Qwilr, and here is my dashboard. And here from this profile icon, you will find this account settings option. Click on it, and under account settings on the left hand side panel, when you scroll down, you will find this Qwilr API. Click on it, and here is the API key. You just have to copy it and paste it here in this token field like this. And after that, click on save, and you will be connected like this. Okay. So we are connected, and here we have the save and send test request button. So when you click on save and send test request, it will start showing waiting for the response of this connection that we have created. Okay. So guys, now you have to perform a test submission. Test submission means you have to manually accept any business proposal that you have created in Qwilr. Okay. And that exception, the details of that exception will be captured here in this response section, and it will act as a test data for us to set up the automation further. Okay. So let me open any of my proposal. So guys, this is a quotation I have created for social media marketing services. Okay. And here you can see it is a kind of web page, and here it will show all the details of the quotations, the pricing, the strategy, and all the things. Okay. And when you scroll down, you will find this accept button. So our client can accept this proposal by clicking on it. So I'm clicking on it, and here I'm going to fill in some dummy details. So this is the name of any customer. So guys, I have entered these details, you can see, and I have signed this document like this. And now I'm going to agree on the terms and click on accept. And you can see this quotation has been accepted. Okay. So I have accepted it manually. Now let's check in our workflow if we got the data captured of this quotation. And here you can see guys, in this response section, this is the response we captured. And here it is showing that the marketing proposal has been accepted. And when you scroll down, it will show you all the technical details, the color palette codes, and the structure of the web page, and when you scroll down a little more till the end part, you will see the details of the person who have accepted the quotation also. So you can see, guys, this is the name of the person who have accepted, this is the organization's name, this is the exception date, okay, this is the email ID. So we got everything. Now I want to inform my team on Slack. So in this actions tab, search for Slack, okay, and the action event would be send channel message. Then click on connect here, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Slack, and here it is asking for the token type. So when you connect with Slack, it will show you two type of token types to connect. One is user, other is bot. So guys, with both of these token types have different kind of access permissions to the Slack, and you can learn about it by clicking on this here word written in blue, and you will reach the forum page here. And on this page you can see when you use user as the token type, you will get all these permissions, and when you use bot, you will get all these permissions. So now I'm going to use user as the token type. Now just click on save. All right, and it will bring you to this window. From here you have to select your messaging space, then you have to scroll down and give the access to your Slack account to Pabbly. Just click on allow here, and you will be connected with Slack. Okay, so the authorization is successful and we are now connected. And here it is asking for the channel's name in which you are messaging with your team. So my channel is this one, named as my business. Okay, so I'm going to select this name, my business. Here it is. And here in this message field, you can type a message for your team. So let me type a standard message. So guys, I have typed the message like this. Hello team, we just got our business proposal named dash accepted. And here after this name, I'm going to place the name of my proposal. So guys, here you can see as I have clicked here, the previous or the trigger step is appearing here in the drop down. And when you click on it, you will find all the data that you have captured in the first step here only. And from here, you can map the name of your business proposal like this. Okay. The details are as follows, and here I want to send these details: the client who have accepted the proposal, the organization's name, and the email address. So you just have to click here, and from this step you can search for acceptors details. So you just have to search acceptor here in the search bar, and you will get all these details. First of all, map the name label. Similarly, you can type acceptor again to find the legal entity label in which you will find the name of organization. Similarly, you will find the acceptors email as well. When you scroll down a bit more, here it is. Okay, right? So when you map the data here like this, what will happen in real time, whenever your real client is going to accept your proposal, the labels here that you have mapped are going to change, and real data will be shared to your team in a real message automatically. Okay, so this is just a test message that we have entered. Now guys, you can check your connection with Slack by clicking on save and send test request button, and this message will be sent to your team here in this my business channel. Okay, so guys, we have all we have a few fields also here. If you're sending any image, you can use these fields. If a bot is sending your message, you can give a bot name. Okay, but we are using user as a token type, so no need to fill all these things. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request button. Let's see if we got a new message here. So this is the response we have received here. Let's see in the channel if we got a new message, and we have a new message like this. You can see, hello team, we just got our business proposal named marketing proposal accepted. The details are as follows, and you can see demo name is here. This is the Papcon organization name. These are the same details, guys, I have mapped. You can see that got placed right inside the message like this. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in the workflow. After that, in real time, whenever your proposals are going to be accepted, your team will know about it automatically on Slack channel, and the workflow is going to run in the background. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.